Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So your music library is where you keep all your favorite songs, but tastes always change, and sometimes you need to do a little spring cleaning. Maybe a song is no longer fits your vibe, or you accidentally added something you don't actually like. Whatever the reason is, removing songs from your library in Amazon Music is quick and easy. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to remove individual songs or multiple tracks from your library on both mobile and desktop. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first thing first, let's go with our mobile section. We're gonna go and talk about removing from the now playing screen. Well, for example, you just have to play a song that's currently in your library. Then tap the mini player to open the full now playing screen like this. Look for the checkmark icon or any filled dot like this. Near the song title, this shows it's in your library. Now all we're gonna do is tap the checkmark or the basically filled icon. It's gonna tell you removed from liked songs or removed from your own library. So the song will disappear from your library immediately. If you want to do it, if you want to add it back, just tap on it again and it will be added. So remove while browsing is another method. Just find the song anywhere in the app or in the basically desktop app. If it has a checkmark next to it, tapping the checkmark will remove it from your library immediately. If you are on desktop, web or app, go to your library, look for songs, find the song, click the three dots and select remove them from library. Confirm if prompted, and that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.